Today we are highlighting a VRV Life dual fuel heat pump system that is also feeding an additional unit in an alternate space in this home. As you'll see, we have a condenser outside that then feeds a line set into the basement. The line set travels over to the furnace, but before it hits the furnace, you're going to see a ref net Y joint up here. And that allows the refrigerant to flow to the dual fuel heat pump setup for the forced air side. And then you'll see the line set continue traveling through the joist bay in the basement here, and it's actually going to pop back outside. Once it pops outside, it runs up the wall in a line hide material to make it look aesthetically pleasing, and then it pops back through, and you'll see we're coming into the garage here. We ran this one through the garage exposed per the homeowner's request, and then it's going to go across the garage and angle up, and it's going to end up in the loft above the homeowner's garage. And what you'll see here is a floor console that we set in this loft because in the winter it would get too cold and in the summer it'd get too hot. So now the homeowner has additional cooling on a separate unit for this space of the house that is also fed by the same condensing unit that feeds the whole house heating and cooling system.